pilot has overshot the runway there amidst heavy rainfall that's taken place. We're trying to get you as many details as possible. The person on board 191 says that he suspects casualties. Air India Express plane skidded during landing at Karipur Airport in Calicut, Kozhikode. The Air India flight was on its way from Dubai. According to KJ Alphonse, former tourism minister, the pilot has died in the mishap and the plane split into two after skidding from the runway. This was an Air India Express plane from Dubai to Kozhikode. Remember, a number of people have been coming in during these COVID times on these special flights that Air India has been carrying out into Kerala. Those are the troubling images that we are getting. We can only pray at this moment that the casualties are as low as possible. There are no fatalities is what we can only pray at the moment. We're trying to get you more details on this tragic incident. I'm going back to Preeti Chaudhary, who's giving me more information from the newsroom. Yes, Preeti.
You know, Rajdeep, what's one of the main reasons now that has been given? Once again, there is no official word on, what went down, but the tabletop runway at Calicut is one of the most dangerous. This is not the first time we've had an aviation incident at the tabletop runway in Calicut. You know, I'm just going through some kind of, the information right there. There have been many, many mishaps earlier. The airport strip is extremely dangerous to maneuver, this could be one of the reasons, especially in the heavy downpour, that the accident took place. The plane skid off. There is also word coming in right now that the plane actually plunged 30 feet below. That's why it split, because it didn't crash land. It just skid off the runway. But the maximum damage which has occurred, and we are, getting in more information, occurred when the plane from the tabletop, it's just a tiny strip. It's a tabletop runway. It's at a huge height. So the plane, actually landed, skid off, and then plunged 30 foot below. That is where it split up near the cockpit, which has now resulted in the death of the pilot.
Stop you, Preeti, for a moment, because Gopi Krishnan Unithan, our man in Kerala, is getting us more details. Gopi, what information do you have for us?
Well, Rajdeep, we have now been told that additional forces have been rushed to the area because this was not really, the airport wasn't really completely prepared to handle a damage of this severity is what